Oh, it is. One's
Yeah.
polarized. Oh, okay.
There's nothing magic about 2 minutes. It's just,
Should I do 4 on
got plenty of coverage. Yeah, it's not critical time. You can push it now, you can push it after. Do it because it's just needs to be around 2 minutes, right? Yeah, I wouldn't look at it. No, I mean. I tend not to. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
You just need enough. You could use half that much if you wanted to. I tend not to pour it all the way to the bottom because there's will sometimes be something in the bottom.
Or,
Yeah, it might be. Might have dehydrated, lost moisture, so it would be actually potassium oxalate, or it could be leftover platinum. That's because of the negative, and the right amount of time, but also restraint.
oh, platinum.
Yeah, restraint. So if that was getting blown out, you could dial back the amount of platinum.
I mean, you guys say blown out. What does that mean?
Oh,
Not infinity?
it means the whites are too white, and there's no detail.
Okay.
So,
It topped out, so you can't get any more
yeah.
before it should top out.
Okay.
Yeah. So once that gets in the jar,
So do I just press it?
yeah. Can I look at it first?
Yeah.
Two instructors at Governor State University in Chicago area. One's a guy named Paul Schramm, who actually worked with Ansel Adams.
What I use?
Yeah.
Well, my default is this one.
Okay.
But for you, if you want to try something different, I would try that one.
Okay.
So I like less brown, but if you like a little bit warmer tone.
I do. I
Yeah.
love warm.
And it's a natural subject,
feeling
right?
for
It's roses, so
Yeah.
it's
Yeah, you don't want it cold.
you're right, right.
You want it velvety.
So let's pull that back. Yeah. So, well, I would pour it directly on the drink
Oh, okay.
myself.
It's funny that you
And-
can see the rose.
Oh, so we need to get some more liquid now. When I was first running, I was cautious. People do things. Make sure that so that's not going to be a problem. You won't see that, even though that was significant.
It's just amazing to me
If you never caught it, it would be a problem, but as long
If
as
you never caught it, it would be a problem.
just to see how, you know, you didn't see anything over there. And it's like,
that really looks like a platinum card.
Yeah. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah. Yeah. Now some of this will get whiter. This more of this yellow will come off. So a little bit of that undertone will come off.
get the brown,
Yeah, no, no.
the vintage quality.
Absolutely. I like the brushwork here on the edges. It's nice.